Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to add some more conditions in this add.pro.go file. So before working on this adding the conditionality, I will go to the find.go file and inside this file I will make some modifications. So the first modification that I'm going to make is to write create table and inside this 7. So this is the last table that is going to find the data in this project table. All right. So basically why I have written this. So this will be used in the add.pro.go file, and the condition that I have written this is because let's say if the MySQL table, if this table project table is not created yet, it is for the first time. All right. So if this project is not created, if it is for the first time, and the user want to the user want to find the data in the project, although the project table is not created, but the user still wants to find the data in this project table, then what it will do? Then in that case, it will first of all create their table, and obviously the table will be empty. So after that it will find the data in this project table. So if the table is empty, then in that case it will give the message that hey, the table is just created and there is no data present in this project table, so you need to insert the data first in order to find the data in it. All right, so you need to insert the data first. So this is the purpose of writing this create table, because if the table is not present for the first time, then for the first time it will create the table, and after that it will find the data in the project table. And if the table is empty, obviously it will be empty, so in that case it will give the message that you need to first of all insert the data there, and after that you can find the project data. All right, so yeah. And the next thing that I'm going to work is to write and here. So this is the sign that will basically check email, board and project, all these things in order to give the project details. All right. So after that, the next thing is to remove this return statement and write if error is equal to SQL error no rows, then return me empty string. And similarly, if another error occurred, then it will also return me empty string. So what this does, basically it will find that whether there is any kind of row that is present in the MySQL database. If it is not present, then it will give me this empty string. If another error occurred, then it will also return this empty string. But let's say if the data is found there, then it will return this project data. All right. So let's save this. And let's go to the find.pro.go file, and inside this file what I will do, I will copy this and paste it down here. And now let's write what you can say. The first thing that I'm going to do is to first of all copy this one. Instead of copying the previous one, I will copy this one and paste it down here. And now what I will do, I will change the name of them, like from user project to user board, from member project to member board, member board. And this time it should not be user project, instead it should be find board here also. And this time it should be removed here, so the project name is not required in this function. So yeah. And now let's copy this, or copy this one and paste it like this. And this time I will write account email. Instead of account email, I will write account name like this, and this will be account name. And similarly here also, instead of writing email, I will write a member account name, and this is going to be the member account name like this. All right. So now these 4 variables needs to be called. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is to remove this condition, and remove this condition from here also. Instead I will only put this condition that hey, if this is the first time for the member project, or if this is the first time for the user project, and then it will insert their data. All right. So otherwise, if this is not the first time, or what you can say, if the user project by this name or the member project by the same name is already present, then it will give me the error that the project by this name is already present. All right. So yeah, let's write what you can say. Let's call these variables in a condition like if length of sorry, if board name is equal to user board, or what you can say like this, user board is equal to board name, and the next condition is to write account name is equal to the person name. All right, so let's first of all write the condition and I will tell you the reason. So else print line errors new. So the condition that I'm going to write is the account name, sorry, the board name or the account or the person name is wrong, like this. So basically I'm putting the condition that, hey, if the user board that is found in the MySQL database, if that board name is matched with the board name that you have given here, all right? So if this board name that the user will give, if this board name is matched with the user board that is present in the MySQL database, and if the account name is matched with the person name, so the person name is this person name that the user will give, and this account name should be matched with that person name. If both of these things are matched, then what it will do, it will give me the it will insert the data. All right, otherwise it will not insert the data because the board name and the account name are not matched. So if both of them are matched, then it will insert that data. Otherwise it will give me this error that, hey, the board name or the person name is wrong, so you need to either insert this one correct or this one. All right, so yeah, so let's copy this if statement and write like this, and once it is written I will remove copy this else statement, and after that let's write like this. So now this will work fine. So now let's change the name of them, like member board, and this is going to be, what you can say, member account name. All right, so the member account name should be matched with the person name that the user will give, and the member board should be matched with the board name that the user will give, and all these message will be the same. So now let's save this, and there is no error that is arising here. So I will write go install, and if I show you the user that you will see, you can see that this is the account name. So this Vanes is the account name that should be matched with the person name that I will give here. All right, and the board name should also be matched. So if I show you select from boards, you will see that the Vanes has this board, like Vanes board. All right, so this board name and the what you can say, the account name, both of them should be matched. Account name is this Vanes and the board name is Vanes board. So if both of them are matched, then it will insert the data. So let's clear this and write proctl add pro b for the board name. So board name is Vanes board, like this. And after that, the next thing is project. So the project is going to be, let's say, Vanes project. This could be any project, all right, that you want to write. I have just written Vanes project, and the person name is going to be the account name that should be matched together. All right, so the person name is Vanes, because this command will tell that, hey, this project is belonging to this board and this account name. All right, so yeah, status is going to be done, and the, what you can say, the date is going to be any number. All right, so this project will be belonging to this board and this account. So let's what you can say, if I remove this and write boards, so it will obviously give me an error. So if I press enter on this, you will see that the board name or the person name is wrong. Either the board name is wrong or the person name. So the board name is correct, but the person name is correct, but the board name is wrong. So if I what you can say, if I insert the correct board name and remove this and write Vanes 1 2, then it will again give me an error, because this time the person name is wrong. All right, so yeah, this is the board name is correct, the person name is wrong. But let's say if I clear this and write both of them correct, then it will insert the data. Now you can see the project is successfully inserted. If I show you projects, you will see that the data is successfully inserted. This is the board name, this is the person name. That is basically showing that the this person or this board is belonging is having this project. All right, So let's write this command again. So now it will give me an error that, hey, the project by this name is already present. So now it is detecting this project that, hey, the project is already present, so you need to insert another project because it is present by the same name. So if I write province project 2, it will insert that project. Why? Because this project is not present already. So if I show you, you can see there are two projects now present. So all of them are different. This is the although they are same, this person name or the board name is same, but the project should be different than each other. This should be the different than this one. All right. So yeah, this is how it will work. So yeah, I can show you the member account also, that how the whether the member details are matched or not, but this is up to you to find those out, although the conditions are the same. So you can just run the statement by logging out and logging in from the into the member account. All right, so I'm not going to do this. So let's write go add git add and git commit. What you can say, added the board and what you can say, added the board in the account name and put the conditions on project like this. Git push origin master. Yeah, so it's gone now. So let's refresh this. So now, as you can see, 127 commits, edit the board and the account name and put the condition on project. So yeah, this is how it will work. So I hope you understand and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.